Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the mini John Cooper Works Paceman on a 63 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from the... So the first thing you'll notice now that we're on the driver's side of the vehicle is that it's a 3-door car with those John Cooper Works alloys, the all 4 badging showing it's a 4-wheel drive vehicle, and the red roof unique to the John Cooper Works variant of this car. We're going to start off inside its boot space. First of all, as we approach the back of the car, you can see we have those twin tailpipes. We've got reversing sensors, and given the nature of the vehicle, plenty of boot space as well. You can increase this space further should you wish to by folding down either or both of those 50-50 split folding rear seats as well. As you can see, now that we're on the passenger side of the vehicle, the alloy wheels and bodywork are in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. We have the rev counter, digital readout for the speedometer, and the total miles for this car. They're 88,253. You can change information displayed above that using a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. If we back out to the steering wheel next, over on the left-hand side first of all, we have our stereo and phone controls. On the right hand side we have the cruise control for the car, and into the center the main touch screen. So firstly, the movement that I'm making on the screen is being done using this dial just here. You can get back to your home screen at any time from there, but the dial can rotate to any one of these options. It can push down to select that option. You can also jog it over to the left and to the right to access certain things, for example your route guidance. As you can see with the satellite navigation, really nice clear color display, very easy system to use. You can pair your phone from here. You can also of course access your radio. This car's got DAB, AM and FM, as you can see. If you want to listen to your own music, you do so under the multimedia heading. We have USB input, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary input there. Then we have a settings menu, vehicle information menu. It's where you can check your onboard computer. You can go into a vehicle status menu. From in here, for example, you can then check your service requirements, where you will see everything on this car is up to date. We can come back out to the home screen at any point in time we wish to. We've got our fuel gauge just there as well, and of course a speedometer that runs around the outside of that. Below that, we've got our CD player, the main volume for your stereo, and then climate control. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed within the car, the direction you'd like the air distributed in. The air conditioning's on at the moment, so that's off, on again, or hit auto. The car will take full control for you to maintain the temperature that you've asked for. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings. Heated passenger seat over here, front and rear fog lights. You can put the vehicle into sport mode from here. We have deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors. We can turn off the stop and start. We've got traction control you can turn on and off as well. 2 cup holders, a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox, and then both USB and auxiliary inputs. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So in the envelope here is the spare key. We have the V5 registration document, loads of service paperwork just here, which we would be more than happy to run through either in person or on a live video call. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.